indulgent smoothie. So I'm going to be putting together a salted caramel banana berry smoothie. So it's super quick and easy to make. All you'll need is 1 scoop of the Happy Way salted caramel protein powder. Today I'm using a mix of almond and coconut milk. I'm going to be using about 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. You can also use coconut yogurt if you prefer. I've got about 1 cup here of frozen mixed berries, 1 banana and a cup of ice. So all we need to do is pop it into our blender, blend it until it's smooth and enjoy.